Do I kind of look like a death pool guy right now? A little bit. Oh, yeah. Now we're fucking good. This clashes a little bit, but what are you going to do? The eyes are googly. If you think I can see right now, I cannot.
It's tough to fucking breathe in this thing. Holy shit. How do you breathe in this? Holy shit. It's like sucking into my face. This is almost impossible to breathe in. When you put this guy next to it, it's fucking quite the scene. I can't even fucking breathe.
I just look like, again, a guy who's probably going to die in Game of Thrones. Yeah, it's been masks and knives. Masks. Not so fucking tough now. Does Mysterio do his mask? I just running into a major, like... kind of look like an Avenger. How blue do my eyes look right now? Like, stunningly blue? They have to, right?